Feeling lost in a sea of disconnected apps and data? Let's dive into the ultimate showdown, Workato vs Boomi, and find the perfect automation platform to supercharge your business. First, let's break down the core features. Workato excels in user-friendliness with its drag-and-drop interface, making it ideal for citizen developers look for the pre-built connectors and intuitive recipe creation. Boomi, on the other hand, boasts a robust platform suited for complex enterprise integrations, requiring a deeper technical skill set. Explore its extensive library of atoms and connectors for advanced data transformation. Next, the money talk. Workato's pricing is generally based on the number of recipes and users, offering flexible plans for growing businesses. Compare the features offered in each tier to find the best fit. Boomi's pricing is more complex, often determined by the number of connections and data volume. Reach out for a custom quote to understand the total cost of ownership. Finally, scalability. Workato offers excellent scalability, allowing you to easily add more recipes and users as your business grows. Consider its event-driven architecture for handling peak loads. Boomi is designed for enterprise-level scalability, capable of handling massive data volumes and complex integrations. Evaluate its distributed architecture for high availability and disaster recovery. So, which platform reigns supreme? Workato is a great choice for ease of use and rapid deployment, while Boomi shines in complex enterprise scenarios. Remember to assess your business needs, technical expertise, and budget to make the right decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation insights. #IPAS #business automation.